Dear international students, welcome back to Full Scholarships. We are here with new opportunity for you, and this time it's from Germany. So it's a fully funded scholarship, and this is from the Friedrich Ebert Foundation from the Germany, and it's for the international students to study for session 2022 and 2023. We will discuss about this. This scholarship varies from country and course to course, and some may cover bachelors and masters too, and some have only the bachelors. We will discuss about how to get this scholarship, how to register, how to sign up, and how to fill the details in this. Before that, if you are new on our YouTube channel, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video by pressing the thumbs up button. To get to this Germany scholarship link, you can check the video description. It's mentioned there. Please check the video description. Link is given there. Click on that link and it will take you to our website here. Also, you can follow us on Instagram. Our username is Full Scholarships. And link is also given in Instagram bio. So you can click on that or you can just message us or just comment down below the video and we will send you a link. Before doing that, please remember to subscribe. Now, once you are done with this, you can read about the scholarships for Germany on our website and you can check target groups. Location is Germany and benefits are also mentioned here. Similarly, you can check the eligibility criteria. So you must be from one of these countries or continents. Asia, Africa, Latin America are post-Soviet unions and the Southern European countries. Then you can check the other details also and the application process is also mentioned in this 5 steps. So once you are done with this, you can check the eligibility, you can check the deadline, and deadline for this opportunity is April 30, 2022. So here you can check. Now to apply, scroll down. At the end, there are two buttons, watch video and apply video. So currently you are watching video, so nothing to do with this. And here you can check apply now. So click on this apply now button here. As you see that we have been redirected to the apply screen on the official website of Friedrich Ebert. And here you can check the apply now process and three important questions before applying, so you can check all details here and now apply directly online. So you have to make a selection. Please make a selection here. So choose the first year students at the beginning of first year, not master students. So we are the first year students and we want to start from the bachelor. So click on this here. Once you do that, you can check this type of form will appear in front of you and you have to fill the gender, then first name, last name, place of birth, nationality, country of birth, migration background, and then I certify. Then fill all the questions and answer these questions, family stats, address, and then create the password. So after you done this, click on tick agree, and then scroll down and click on request link. Once you do that, here you can check that the this type of message will be shown in your screen. Thank you for your interest in the Friedrich Ebert. So you will shortly receive an email with the link for the authentication. So let me check the email first. Now, as you see on the screen, here we have received the email and scrolling down, there is a link. So open this link in the new tab. Once you do that, here you can check authentication successful. Click on back to login. Once you do the back to login and this type of screen will appear in front of you. So use the same ID and the password that you generated here and use the same and then click on login. So let's wait for a few seconds so that we get to the login page. As you see, we are on the login page and we have the application form for basic funding for the first year students. So let's fill this form and now fill the basic details and then choose all the stats and click on the next page. So now let's fill the second page details. So now enter the address and the highest degree, learned occupation, activity, surname, mother's name, and siblings. Then keep continuing on the next page, and so these we have to fill. So high school I have done, and learned occupation, so I have none, and the activity for format, so you can say I have been in the athletics, and you can simply answer other questions and you can simply click on next page and let's see if it moves to the next page or we have to fill some other details too. And let's wait for a few seconds. So I have just can say 0 and 0. So click on the next. Okay, so we have to mention all the details and the so it's for the mother's detail. So you can say yes and no and then click on continue. And now let's fill the other part. And this is application and now the year of graduation of the school education. So I can say in the 19 and type of degree. So high school and the grade. So I can say I can say 3.9 slash 4 and then the location. So you can okay. So please enter a number with a decimal place. Okay. Then okay. So we have to enter the 1.1 and now so I'll be skipping this. There is some error in this, and then choose the education path and scroll down. Continue the experiences if you had, then click on the next page, and it's showing that you should enter the grade. So I'll be entering the 1.1. Then click on the next page. Okay, enter the please enter as a number with decimal places. So here we have the example. So I'm choosing just this same 1.8 and it should go to the next step. So but it's there is some error. So if you still get this error, you can scroll let them know and check them if there is any error with the officials. Then after next page you have to upload documents and then submit the application for scholarship. If you still have any error, please just contact us and we will guide you through that, as currently we have this facing this problem, and we will submit this application while contacting the German this Friedrich embassy or this Friedrich Foundation, and we will get through this. And previously we also happened this error happened to us, but we just managed it somehow in the contacts of the Friedrich Foundation, and we got through the successful application. And if you still have any doubt in regarding this, you can just comment down how to convert this CGPA, and we will get through this. And I hope you understood the process. If you liked our video and dedication, please subscribe to our YouTube channel Full Scholarships. I am signing off for Full Scholarships. Please subscribe. Have a nice day ahead.